This is what most water damage in Connecticut homes actually looks like. Not a flood, not a burst pipe gushing across the floor. A faint stain creeping up a plaster wall, a few inches above the baseboard. Most homeowners think it is nothing. A moisture meter usually says otherwise. The cavity behind a wall like this routinely reads well above the 16% threshold IICRC S500-2021 sets for a wet structural assembly. Thermal imaging confirms a cold band along the stud bay where wetwood sits against cooler framing. Per IICRC S520-2024, with wetting older than 14 days, mold colonization on the back of the gypsum is already likely. By the time you can see the stain, the framing has typically been wet 4 to 8 weeks. If your wall looks like this in a Connecticut home, the timer started a long time ago. Most water damage inspections take 30 to 75 minutes on site. Call Green Restoration of Fairfield County, 203-674-9573.